my god. I can't believe it. I'm making a neon parrot. Guys, say hi to YouTube, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put in, guys. Say hi to YT. Woo! Okay, come on, guys. Say hi. JJ. Okay, I'm gonna make it. Okay, there we go. There's the first parrot. And then here's the second parrot. And then here's the third parrot. And then, oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't believe it, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh god, I can't believe this. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh my god, this is like, I can't explain it. Oh my god. Jesus. And by the way, guys, I have proof that I gave away those dragons. All 4 of those dragons when I was going to make a neon. No more dragons, sadly. Oh my god. But I'm still really happy. Oh, that girl said, I'm so happy for you. I'm going to put TYSM. Say hi to YT. Whoops, my fingers were in there then. Oh my god. That thing's called Penguin Mermaid. Oh my god, look at her, she's so happy she's on YouTube. Oh. And I'm really happy I made Neon Parrot. So now I have a Neon Parrot and a Neon Unicorn. I'm pretty proud of myself. Plus I got scammed the other day, my other parrot. So I was going to make it the other day for YouTube, but then someone scammed me. What? Okay, what do you want to trade? Sorry, no. Wait, what? Did I decline? Never mind. Okay, let's go YouTube. We're going. I've got 1,720 bucks, so let's buy an egg while we're at it. Ooh, YouTube, come on YouTube, come on YouTube, come on YouTube. Hey guys, what's that bleeping noise that keeps happening? I don't like it. Oh my god. Okay, which egg should we buy? Okay, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to ask my brother or sister or someone what egg I should buy. And then I'll tell you in 3, 2, 1. What are we going to buy, Alfie?
Jungle egg!
Yay! Okay, let's go. 1 egg. Oh my god. 2 egg.
So you just buy one.
I bought 2.
Buy
She copied me. Yay!
Buy
They're twins. They're twin eggs. They're twins.
Buy 3.
Yay!
Buy 3.
Can't buy 3.
Oh.
Go away, Alfie. Go. Bye-bye. Wait, where's my jungle? I want to know if you can use the leash on a jungle egg or an egg.
Yeah, you can.
How do you know?
What's that?
You can! Okay, goodbye, Alfie. Go away now. Thank you. Okay, let's see. That looks cute. Let's see my house, guys. It's new. You know, well, my dragon house is gone. It's gone. And I'm really sad because I accidentally sold it because I didn't load into the game properly. And then I was clicking on my houses to change the house, and it went. Guys, soon I'm going to do a video with like a mystery wheel or something, or my brother is going to choose, or my sisters, one of my sisters, or someone is going to say a pet, a random pet, and I've got to give it to someone else. Or I'll do a thing and I've got to do a riddle, like a really weird riddle, and then if they guess it, I'll give them the pet that they have to guess. Okay guys, that's all I have for the video today. So if you wanna win a pet or something or an egg, then subscribe, leave a like, and hit the bell to see more videos. Bye bye.